In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a forum in Moodle so that you can communicate with your students, they can communicate with you, and they can communicate with each other. You want to be in Moodle, you want to be in the course and the module where you want the forum to be added, and then go to Add an Activity and select Forum. You'll have to name the forum. I'm going to call this Ice Cream Forum. And it's a standard forum for general use. There are single simple discussions. Each person posts one discussion, so that would restrict people. A question and answer forum where it's basically between you and the students and not between each other. And then standard forum displayed in a blog-like format. Standard forum for general use is the one that I would typically use. So that selects the type. Forum introduction is required, and that's where you insert the text, graphics, links, whatever you need to set up what the forum is going to be about. So here I'm going to say, what are your favorite 3 flavors of ice cream and why? So this sets up something for the students to talk about. The other thing that you can do here is set up what your requirements or expectations are for their participation in the forum. You can make subscription optional. You can force subscription. You can automatically subscribe, and you can disable subscription so that they don't have the opportunity to subscribe. Here's what subscribing means. If you're subscribed to a forum, you get an email anytime anybody posts to it. It's kind of annoying, so that's a reason to have subscription be optional. But some students may want to know when other people have posted so they can quickly get online and respond, or at least read what's been written. You can allow attachments, and you can specify how large those attachments are and how many there are. You can put a grade category in. You can put rules for ratings in. Most people are probably not going to mess with most of those things and just make a simple forum so that they can communicate quickly and easily with their students. Click Save and Return to Course once you set it up. And once you get back to the course, you will see the forum appears in your module. It has a little icon with 2 heads facing each other, and it says Ice Cream Forum. If I click on Ice Cream Forum, it'll take me to the forum. There's the instruction, what are your favorite 3 flavors of ice cream and why? And for a student or for you to initiate a conversation, you click Add a new discussion topic. Once you do that, you can title it. You have to title it. So I would say something like My Flavors, and you probably want your students to get in the habit of putting their name in there so they're identifiable when a long list of posts have been generated. So now I'm just going to type in a response to this so you can see what this will look like from the teacher's standpoint later on. So I've entered a little discussion topic here explaining what my 3 favorite flavors are and why. And once you do that, then you can just click Post to Forum. Now anybody that opens up this discussion topic, they're going to see that David Ekstrom has already posted. If they're interested in reading what I've written and possibly responding to it, they can just click on My Discussion. It opens up, and they have the option of replying to it. I can edit it, of course, or delete it because I posted it, but they can only reply. And when they do, then they have an opportunity to reply back to me. And it's a full text editing box, plus it has the ability for images, for links, for media, special characters, tables, anything they need to. So someone may respond to this and then post that attachment, and that thread will start to be established. Now I'd like to show you as a teacher how you can follow who is posting and who isn't and how many times they've posted. If you go to the navigation bar on the side when you're in the course that has the forum in it, go to Reports and click on Reports. You can get logs of who's participating. Say I want to find out if Dave Ekstrom, in fact, has posted to this forum. I can click my name for participants. I can put today or any day in the course or all days just to see if I've ever posted to this forum. This is the class that we have this practice module in. For activities, I want to select this forum that we've created, the ice cream forum. For actions, my options are, have I viewed it, have I added, have I updated, have I deleted? I want to see all changes maybe, or all actions. If I click Get These Logs, I'll get a report that says Dave Ekstrom viewed the forum, viewed the discussion, viewed the forum again, added a discussion, viewed the forum, and did another add. So it tells me everything I've done with this. If I want to only see if students have responded or added, I can get those logs, and it sorts out all the views and just tells me that I've added a discussion and I added the entire forum. So in grading, if that's going to be something that you're going to grade for, that's the quick way to find out if any student in your class has responded to any forum. So that gives you an idea of how to set up a forum using Moodle and start communication between you and your students and each other.